Builder-installed caulk often fails faster than premium brands because new construction crews commonly prioritize speed and cost over long-term performance. When builders choose lower-cost silicone or acrylic caulks, they typically sacrifice adhesion and flexibility that premium products provide, so joints open up under normal thermal movement. Surface preparation is often minimal on sites. Dust, oil, and moisture left in joints prevent proper bonding, so always clean with a solvent like denatured alcohol and allow full drying before applying caulk. Use a backer rod for gaps wider than 1/4 inch to control bead depth and reduce three-sided adhesion, which helps the sealant move with the joint instead of tearing free. Tool the bead within the product-specific skin time, not after, and apply consistent pressure with a steady motion to avoid voids. A wet finger or a tooling tool size to the joint gives a smooth profile that cures evenly. Match the chemistry to the substrate and exposure. Polyurethane or hybrid polymer sealants work best for exterior joints that see foot traffic or heavy movement, while high-quality acetoxy silicones are better for non-porous tile and glass where paintability is not required. Always check the product data sheet for expansion and contraction limits, and size the joint accordingly, because even the best caulk will fail if the joint moves beyond the sealant's designed range. Common mistakes include applying caulk to dirty or wet surfaces, which causes poor adhesion and early failure, so wipe joints with a suitable cleaner and let them dry completely before sealing. Another frequent issue is using the wrong sealant chemistry for the application, leading to premature breakdown. Fix this by matching the product to the substrate and environmental demands and consulting technical data if uncertain. A third issue is improper joint dimensions or no backer rod, which forces three-sided adhesion or leaves unsupported beads that tear. Remedy that by following joint width to depth ratios recommended on product sheets and using a backer rod to set the correct depth. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by helping people find and compare pros for repair or replacement jobs related to failed caulk and other finish work. We also help contractors find work and participate in our site discussion community where users and tradespeople share tips, product experiences, and practical advice.